Hello everyone, Jonah Albert again. This time we're looking at our final project in xAPI. So this is our analytics page of our website. Andrew has already talked about the front end of our prototype, so I'm here to talk about our back end and how our database works. So as you can see here, we have 343 correct entries, and then here's the percentage breakdown of all of those entries with a little nice pie chart at the end. So this is the web page that powers it. This entire project was written in Django in the Python framework. I have a video on that from probably a month ago now. So if you need a refresher on that, go back and check out that video. But we take a look at the actual view, and this is where all of our data processing is happening. So this command right here, this xapi.objects.all, is the actual select statement for the database. So we'll take a look at our database real quick. So this is the model that we're working with. And we just pulled the information that we thought would be best for any data analytics and anything that we would need regarding multiple different xAPI statements. And then this one right here would be the raw xAPI statements. And so then we would have a function that would take the raw data in this field right here and then populate the rest of these. In our database, you can see just those. The main xAPI and main xAPI raw. So this one has 1,000 entries. We generated some data using Makaru. So we have about 1,000 different entries in here, each with their own unique success and responses. All the rest of the data would normally be the same, at least for our example right now. So then we go back to views, and this statement pulls all of the objects. So at the moment of recording, this was the only way to get any xAPI statements, any of the models, any of the data from the database. I've tried other ones, but this is the one that's worked. So that is our select statement. We're just selecting all of the data. And then in this for loop, we're just going through each one, seeing what the response is, and updating the related tally. And then here's our data processing. And then this is what is actually making the pie chart and then saving it to then be referenced within our HTML file here. And statements would be inserted similarly into the database. We've been having some trouble getting that figured out, but once we connect this multiple choice tag to the database and figure out how we can pull statements from it, statements will go into this xAPI raw table, and then there will be a Python function to take data from here and then populate this table here. So we have to recall all the data, but we're really just pulling success and response. Hopefully within the next couple of days, we can figure out how to just query those two columns. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.